The scene introduces a visually engaging, animated backdrop. The text "Amazing Animal Facts" appears prominently on screen. A cheerful tune plays, enhancing the engaging tone of the introduction. Octopuses possess 3 hearts, 2 pump blood through the gills, and 1 circulates blood to the rest of the body. The 2 branchial hearts pump blood through the gills, facilitating oxygen absorption. The systemic heart circulates oxygenated blood to the octopus organs and tissues. An octopus possesses 3 hearts, each with a distinct function in its circulatory system. 2 branchial hearts pump blood through the gills, facilitating oxygen uptake. A single systemic heart circulates oxygenated blood to the rest of the octopus body. This 3-heart system ensures efficient oxygen delivery to support the octopus active lifestyle. Giraffes possess 7 cervical vertebrae, the same number as most other mammals. The giraffe's elongated neck results from the increased length of each individual vertebra, not the number of vertebrae. These elongated vertebrae enable giraffes to reach high vegetation, providing a competitive feeding advantage. An X-ray animation reveals the giraffe's neck structure. The giraffe's neck contains 7 elongated vertebrae. These vertebrae are structurally similar to human neck bones. Penguins are flightless birds, highly adapted for swimming. Penguins' dense bones and blubber provide buoyancy control and insulation in cold water. Penguins use their wings as flippers to propel themselves through water at high speeds. Adaptations such as webbed feet and a streamlined body enhance penguins' swimming efficiency. Penguins use their wings to propel themselves through water, achieving high swimming speeds. The penguin's body is streamlined to reduce drag, enhancing its swimming efficiency. Penguins' swimming speed is a result of wing propulsion and streamlined body dynamics. Butterflies possess taste receptors located on their feet. These receptors allow butterflies to identify suitable food sources by tasting the surface they land on. Tasting with their feet enables butterflies to quickly assess the nutritional value of potential food sources. Butterflies possess sensory receptors on their feet that enable them to taste their environment. These receptors are specifically tuned to detect the presence of sugars. Upon sugar detection, signals are sent to the butterfly's nervous system, triggering feeding behavior. Elephants lack the physical structure necessary for jumping. The elephant's anatomy, including inflexible ankles and heavy weight, prevents it from lifting all 4 feet off the ground simultaneously. Unlike many other mammals, elephants possess neither the leg structure nor the muscle power required for jumping. Elephants can weigh up to 14.0 pounds, making them the largest land animals. The immense weight of an elephant prevents it from jumping. Comparative weight visualization. Elephant versus smaller animals. The elephant's bone structure and muscle mass are designed for strength and stability, not jumping. Snails are capable of entering a state of dormancy, allowing them to sleep for extended periods. This dormancy helps snails survive unfavorable environmental conditions, such as drought or extreme temperatures. The duration of a snail's dormancy can last for months or even years, depending on the species and environmental factors. Snails can hibernate for extended periods, such as 3 years, to survive harsh environmental conditions. Hibernation is triggered by unfavorable conditions, including lack of moisture and extreme temperatures. During hibernation, the snail's metabolic rate significantly decreases to conserve energy. Snails emerge from hibernation when environmental conditions become favorable again. Koalas are marsupials, not bears, and are native to Australia. Koalas are characterized by their arboreal lifestyle and specialized diet of eucalyptus leaves. Female koalas carry their young, called joeys, in a pouch. Koalas, as marsupials, possess a specialized pouch for carrying and nurturing their young. The pouch provides a safe and secure environment for the joey to develop after birth. The pouch muscles allow the mother to control the opening and closing, protecting the joey. The joey remains in the pouch for several months, relying entirely on the mother for nourishment and protection. Octopuses possess 3 hearts, each serving a distinct circulatory function. 2 branchial hearts pump blood through the gills to absorb oxygen. The systemic heart circulates oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The systemic heart stops beating when the octopus swims, relying on the branchial hearts for circulation during movement. Giraffes possess only 7 neck bones, the same number as humans. Each giraffe neck bone is significantly elongated, contributing to the animal's overall height. The giraffe's unique cardiovascular system supports blood flow to its elevated head. Penguins are flightless birds, uniquely adapted for swimming and aquatic life. Penguins possess dense bones and specialized feathers that provide insulation and buoyancy control in water. Penguins use their powerful flippers to propel themselves through water at high speeds. Despite their swimming prowess, penguins are unable to fly due to evolutionary adaptations favoring aquatic locomotion. Butterflies possess taste receptors on their feet, enabling them to identify food sources upon landing. This unique sensory adaptation allows butterflies to quickly assess the suitability of a flower as a nectar source. Upon detecting a desirable taste, the butterfly extends its proboscis to feed on the nectar. Elephants are incapable of jumping due to their anatomy. The weight distribution and bone structure of elephants prevent them from lifting all 4 feet off the ground simultaneously. Unlike other mammals, the elephant's ankle joint has limited flexibility, restricting its ability to perform jumping movements. Snails can enter a state of dormancy, allowing them to sleep for extended periods. This dormancy helps snails survive harsh environmental conditions, such as drought or extreme temperatures. Snails seal themselves inside their shells to retain moisture and protect against predators during dormancy. The duration of a snail's dormancy can range from several months to even years. Koalas are marsupials, not bears. Koalas primarily feed on eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves provide koalas with both hydration and nutrition. Koalas have specialized organs to detoxify eucalyptus oil. A concise review summarizes key facts about each of the 7 animals. The review reinforces learned information through a slideshow format. Each animal is presented briefly to maximize retention of core concepts. Transition to a vibrant, animated backdrop signifies the conclusion of the learning module. The phrase "learn with us, the fun won't stop" appears on screen, reinforcing the engaging nature of the educational content. The animated outro aims to leave a lasting positive impression, encouraging continued engagement with learning resources. The final screen displays the show's title and credits. A light, fun jingle accompanies the visual elements. The final screen provides closure and acknowledges the contributors.